Well, this morning we have quite a bird rescue missions going on at the Bleu bed and breakfast. Here's the situations. We had since a couple of years birds putting nests there in the corner of the gutter. We tried to tell them 2-3 times that it's not a good idea. But I don't know if it's the French accent or anything, but they didn't listen to us. And what happened 2 days ago, we had a big storm with a lot of winds. And last night, we heard this commotion, this bird flapping down the gutter. Maybe if you can come down and hear. So it's flipping. So I'm gonna go there now, and I'm gonna attempt to leave the bird free by unscrewing here, here, and here.
Go Marcel.
Et voilà!
Il est parti! Je pense que oui!
Thank you, no problem. Don't do that again.